In the previous lessons, we applied some styles to our tags using the main style sheet. And whilst this is perfectly fine, we might find that to maintain the modularity of our Riot components, it's better to bundle component styles into individual tags. Fragmenting styles might seem strange at first, but building front-end components this way means they become truly reusable and much easier to maintain. We'll continue with the code from that previous video by moving our global styles into the relevant tag files. Open style.css and cut that admin user class styles. Save, so our page reverts. And add this to a style tag inside of our user group tag. We could have added this to the user tag as well, but seeing as the user group tag dictates the class being styled, it makes a bit more sense having it inside this tag. Now save this tag file and the styles return. Pretty straightforward. But what I wanted to demonstrate here is the fact that Riot styles are scoped to the tags in which they are declared. For example, inside this user group tag we have an h1. We also happen to have an h1 in our index.html file. So I'll create a CSS selector of h1, meaning all h1 tags of course, make that bold and italic, save, and the only h1 tag that has those styles applied is the one inside of our tag. So that's what scoped CSS refers to. Riot basically allows us to not only keep our CSS completely modular, but also removes the need to think about global styles when adding CSS to tags. Now, generally the first concern with batching styles into tag files like this is duplication and fragmentation of our CSS, which can negatively affect performance. Well, Riot again is clever with this. To demonstrate, I'll add another bit of random styling to the user tag. Give the strong tag a left margin. Save that and inspect the page source, or more specifically the head element. And in here we see Riot has automatically taken all our tag styles and bundled them into a single style tag in the header. So no issues there. The final bit of Riot's styling functionality that I want to show is targeting where the CSS gets generated. For example, let's say you want this applied as the very first CSS in the head tag. You can do the following. Inside the head tag, create a style tag where you want this Riot-generated styling to be placed, and give it a type of Riot. Save that, inspect again, and this time our tag styles gets added in the exact location, so allowing us to control exactly where we want these Riot tag styles to be placed.